Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making my favorite soup, banga soup. It's from Delta State and I love this soup, like my god. Now boil your proteins. I don't use any spice apart from bouillon cube, onion and salt when boiling proteins for soup. Using the same pot or another one, add your banga extract. The reason I'm using banga extract is because it tastes the same just like the fresh one, and I can also gauge the amount of water I use for this soup, and I don't have to waste gas or kerosene or any form of like electricity bill cooking the soup. And then I pour hot water, just like when you're squeezing the fresh one, to help release the oil on time. I do the same while cooking with the extract. And then I stir a bit just to help loosen it up, aid it to move. So once it starts to simmer, I add my banga spice, which is made up of ataiko and irugeje. And I add washed beletete. Dry ones contain sand, so I use washed ones. Then followed by your pureed onion and pepper. It's blended smooth because I really don't like particles like that in my banga. Banga has a smooth consistency, and the only things that are allowed to be obstacles are probably fish and stuff that you put in it. So while it's boiling so much like this, add extra pepper so that when you warm it at a later time, you still feel that peppery taste in it. Then add your crayfish. Stir and cover to simmer just for a bit, to fuse that spice in it. Now add your bouillon cubes with a bit of salt, not too much because you're going to be using fish and the fish is already pre-seasoned with salt, onion and pepper. So you stir. Just look how beautiful that is. You should be in my kitchen right now. Add the fish. I'm using tilapia. A lot of people prefer using catfish, but I love tilapia and red snapper in my banga. It's just amazing. Once the fish is half cooked, like you can see, it won't break. Now you add your meat stock at this point and your meat. The reason is that you want it to fuse into the fish and the fish taste to also fuse into your meat, and then that combined it gives it just an It's amazing. Don't mind me, I'm gushing. I always gush when I say banga, like So you give it a stir and then you cover and allow to simmer. Let all that goodness combine together, giving you a fusion of pure unadulterated cuisine that is all African. Now you stir. At this point the fish is cooked, so you either take it out and allow it to dry further if your soup is watery, or you put it in a native pot. By tradition, I put mine in a native pot and dry it out, or I just leave it like that. Can you see that? My girlfriend loves the soup, Isabi, and it's just amazing that there are few people like us that still cherish this tradition of soup. So I serve it with starch and banga because right now the soup is ready and I'm so hungry. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.